Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English. Today is day 5 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today, we will learn 100 more daily used English sentences that will help you speak English in real conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Are you free now? Yes, I am free. No, I am busy right now. Let's talk for a minute. I need to talk to you. Can we talk now? I will talk to you later. I will call you back. I am in a meeting. I am outside right now. I am at home. I am at work. I just arrived home. I just left the office. I am on my way home. I am waiting for you. Where are you now? I am near your house. I am coming soon. Please wait for me. What are you doing today? I am meeting a friend. I am going shopping. I am going to the market. I am going for a walk. I am watching a movie. I am listening to music. I am reading a book. I am learning English. I am practicing speaking. That sounds fun. That sounds interesting. I would like to join you. Can I come with you? Let's go together. Let's enjoy the day. Let's have some fun. I really enjoyed it. It was a great day. I had a wonderful time. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the market. I went to the park. I stayed at home. What did you eat today? I ate rice and vegetables. I had breakfast. I had lunch. I had dinner. Did you finish your work? Yes, I finished it. No, I didn't finish it. I will finish it soon. I will complete it today. When will you finish it? I will finish it tomorrow. What are you doing tomorrow? I have some plans tomorrow. I will tell you later. I will inform you soon. I am feeling happy. I am feeling sad. I am feeling excited. I am feeling nervous. I am feeling relaxed. I am feeling tired today. I need some rest. I need some fresh air. Let's take a break. Let's continue later. Take your time. Don't hurry. Be careful. Stay safe. Look after yourself. Drink some water. Eat healthy food. Get enough sleep. Keep smiling. Enjoy your day. Keep practicing English daily. Speak English without fear. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Practice makes perfect. Learn new words every day. Listen to English daily. Watch English videos. Read English books. Speak with confidence. Believe in yourself. You are doing great. Your English is improving. Keep learning. Stay positive. Never give up. Success takes time. Be patient and practice. Your fluency will grow. See you tomorrow for day 6. If you want to improve your English speaking, listen to these sentences again and repeat them loudly. Practice these 100 sentences every day, and slowly you will start speaking English confidently. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, Daily English, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow with Day 6, 100 more daily English sentences.